What was the biggest misconception or surprise that you had when actually working with these kind of tools?
I think maybe not misconception, but I thought one thing that I thought was interesting was like people want to use like really loose prompts and like to release the creativity. So they'll like say, "Oh, write me a storyline about this," and they won't give like that much context. And you'll get something cool out of that. But when you want to make it like really do interesting stuff, like work with your own data or fine tune on something else, right? I think one thing that's pretty interesting is like if you give like a really structured prompt with like examples, example outputs, example incorrect outputs, right? To teach it, and you give it like a very clear like here's where you start, here's what it should look like by the end. If you give it that, like the model's performance is so much better than if you just say like a one-line prompt or a two-line prompt. Like it's so much better if you give very structured instructions. So I thought that was really